Hi guys, my name is Elisa and I live in China. Right now I'm at the DJI Store here in Qingdao, and this store is located at the Sunak Mall, which is beside the Starlight Island where I live. I already have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I'm recording with it right now and I love using it, but I came here for something exciting, and this is an upgrade DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's go inside and let's check the prices for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 that I'm very excited for, and also for other cameras, for other, I can see there are so many drones here, even they have the vacuum cleaners. So let's check out what this DJI store has to offer and let's check the prices. Here is the new camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This is the one that I wanted to buy. Here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Yeah. I'm super excited for this camera. Here at the store, the price of this camera is 3,799 RMB. So if you want to buy just the camera, it's gonna cost like 2,999 RMB. But if you want to have the creator thing, it's gonna cost 3,999. So cool that it has the light. Attach it here to the magnet, I guess. I don't know yet how to attach it. How it works. Nice colors to choose from for the mic. So it has, so this is the microphones, DJI Mic Mini 2. Let's take a look at the Osmo Actions cameras. So for example, this is Osmo Action 6. Look at this, so cool. Yeah, you can see that. So these are two cameras. One is Osmo Action 4, the bigger one, and the smaller one is Osmo Action 6. Osmo Action 6. This action camera is great for capturing smooth, high-quality footage during sports and outdoor adventures. The Osmo Action 4 performs especially well in low-light conditions, making it perfect for filming at sunrise, sunset, or at night. This cool camera is Osmo 360. Just look at this. Such a cool camera. Osmo 360. Osmo 360. This camera records immersive 360-degree videos, allowing viewers to experience every angle of the scene. So the other camera is Osmo Nano. I wanted to take it out. It's kind of attached. It's attached here. So it's attached. I'm not going to take it out. I'll just show you. So this is the magnet. You can attach this thing to the magnet and record while walking. Oh, thank you. This camera can be attached on your forehead, here, like wherever you want. It's so super convenient just to record your life while walking. Yeah, I would like maybe to buy for myself in the future this camera as well. Such a cool camera. It's so cool that DJI even offers now the phones. So let's say this phone. So I'm here being recorded. So this is called Osmo Mobile 8. Osmo Mobile 8. So these are the prices. It comes with some gear. So the whole thing, all the gear together is $1,299 with all kind of gear. So this is the gear displayed here. So it's perfect for recording videos. Like just look at this hand. Wow, guys, just look at these professional cameras. Really, I can imagine what kind of shots you can make with these cameras. It's just unbelievable. DJI RS4 Pro. This professional gimbal is ideal for filmmakers who need ultra-smooth footage with larger camera setups. It's gonna be 6,999 RMB. DJI RS4 Mini. The RS4 Mini is a lightweight gimbal that is perfect for content creators and vloggers on the go. So this is my camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I love this camera very much. Such a great camera to use. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 here at the store. If you get the whole thing, it's $3,099. Okay guys, now let's check out some drones. DJI Avata 360. This FPV drone delivers an exciting flying experience and is great for capturing dynamic, immersive footage. Let's check out the drone DJI Air 3. I'm really excited about this one and I would love to buy for myself. The Air 3S is an excellent all-around drone for travel photography, cinematic videos, and exploration. And just look at the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This flagship drone is designed for professional creators who want top-quality photos and videos. RMB, and the most expensive one is 23,988 RMB. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Compact and lightweight, this drone is perfect for travelers who want impressive footage without carrying bulky equipment. 4,788, just the minimum, then 6,988, 5,988, and 7,688. Yeah, there are some other drones. Like the smallest drone I've seen here is this one. The DJI Neo is an easy-to-use drone that can quickly capture fun shots and follow you automatically. And now let's take a look at the DJI Neo 2. It looks like a cool drone too, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Neo, N-E-O. And yeah, it's not very big, it's very small in size, so it's very easy to take it with you. DJI Neo 2. Building on the original Neo, this drone offers enhanced performance and intelligent features for effortless content creation. And this is the camera Osmo Action 5 Pro. Here we have the comparison of two cameras. One is Osmo Action 5 Pro and another one is Osmo Action 6. Osmo Action 5. This action camera is designed for creators who need durable performance and excellent image quality in any environment. The interesting thing is that DJI even has its own vacuum cleaner. DJI Romo Vacuum Cleaner. This smart vacuum cleaner helps keep your home clean with automated navigation and efficient dust collection. This is another version. What is the price for this vacuum? And this cool drone is the DJI Flip. DJI Flip drone. The DJI Flip is a compact drone that's perfect for beginners looking to capture creative photos and videos with ease. This is DJI Flip. Alright guys, so let's get back to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. I was really excited to buy this one today and just take it home, but it's not available at the offline stores. So the shopping assistant told me that it's not available at the offline stores here in Qingdao. I'm not sure the other cities in China, but I can order it easily online. So he said that at any online platform I can order it and it will be delivered to me very fast. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home and order this one online. I'll compare the price, like how much it costs here at the store and also online. To be honest, I would buy it right away here at the store because I was super excited. But stay tuned, I'm gonna show you the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 when it gets delivered to my home. Yeah, so Osmo Pocket 4. Yeah, I'm super excited for that, and I liked it here when I checked it at the store. I like the features of this camera, so it has, like even though I love this one that I'm recording with, this one, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has many upgrades, including the light, which is great. And now I'm unboxing the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo that I ordered online here in China. Everything comes packed inside this convenient bag, which makes it easy to carry all the accessories wherever you go. First, here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 camera itself. It's compact, lightweight, and features a built-in gimbal for smooth and stable footage. Next, we have the gimbal clamp. This helps protect the gimbal during storage and transportation. Here are two windscreens. These help reduce wind noise and improve audio quality when recording outdoors. Now let's look at the handle. It gives you a more comfortable grip and extends the camera's functionality. Next is the magnetic clip. This allows you to attach accessories quickly and securely. Here we have the magnet, which can be used for mounting the microphone transmitter. Speaking of audio, this is the transmitter, which is actually a wireless microphone. It requires clear audio and connects directly to the camera. Next, we have the mini tripod. It's perfect for setting the camera on the table or any flat surface. Here is the fill light. This is useful when recording at low light conditions and helps brighten your face. Next is the USB cable for charging and transferring files. Here we have the wide-angle lens. It gives you a wider field of view, which is great for travel videos and vlogging. And finally, we have the portable carrying pouch. It's a nice way to keep everything organized and protected when you're on the go. That's everything included in the DJI Osmo Pocket Creator Combo. I'm excited to test it out and see how it performs. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos from China. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, please like it, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. And I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye!